you really wanted to, you could also taste it. Combine your glass of acetic acid with a glass of ethyl acetate, combine it into one, smell it and taste it again, and see the effect that you would potentially have in your wine. And if you feel like it, you can do the same thing with the sulfur compounds, because you will. It's much more pleasant with the acetic acid than ethyl acetate. That's why I didn't suggest it. Ethyl acetate and acetic acid, those two, combine them. Smell them, taste them again. It should be something that you've seen in wine before. You're making it worse. But that's the reason why we taste this last. Is, for me personally, that thing sticks on your tongue for the next 1 or 2 hours. Oh, so you're welcome.